big movements in Senseonics Holdings Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving 11.85% between high and low. Updated on February 4, 2022, the Senseonics Holdings Incorporated stock price gained 10.93% on the last trading day, Friday, 4th of February 2022, rising from $3.02 to $3.35, and has now gained 7 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 11.85% from a day low at $3 to a day high of $3.35. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 28.85% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 685,000 shares, and in total, 17 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $55.35 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall minus 24.71% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $1.54 and $2.52 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast. The Senseonics Holdings Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $2.73 and $2.70. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 27, 2022, and so far it has risen 55.81%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Support, risk, stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.80 and $2.68. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Senseonics Holdings Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $2.80. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.68 and $2.67. This stock may move much during the day. Volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 36 cents between high and low, or 11.85%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 10.57%. Since the Senseonics Holdings Incorporated has been rising for 7 days in a row, the risk over the next couple of days has increased. As we cannot be certain with regards to the size of the reaction, we urge caution. Our recommended stop loss, $3.24, minus 3.24%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 6 days ago. Is Senseonics Holdings Incorporated stock a buy? Senseonics Holdings Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position while still awaiting further development. Current score, 0.000. Insiders are very negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Senseonics Holdings Incorporated. In the last 100 trades there were 4.2 million shares bought and 13.83 million shares sold. The last trade was done 34 days ago by Prince Douglas S. who bought 3.41 thousand shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Senseonics Holdings Incorporated of Monday, February 7, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price.